I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location, steps from restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in the foyer of Unit 3111, a one-bedroom in Tower 4. There's a wide closet in your entry foyer with both shelving and hanging space. Another closet as you head toward the living area. And then you have a spacious living dining area here with two exposures. Looking south, looking out toward the expressway, looking toward the University of Illinois at Chicago, which is walking distance from here. And then looking east toward the Willis Tower and a sliver view of the lake. You're going to find that a lot of the units at Presidential Towers are more spacious than you'll find in newer construction and have better storage space in closets. This breakfast bar lip passed through to the kitchen. Stainless steel appliance package that includes a built-in microwave, dishwasher, glass tile backsplash, and espresso tone cabinetry that contrasts with the white counters. Heading toward the bedroom. Spacious bedroom. You can accommodate any size bed in here and room for additional furniture. And then you have a walk-in closet. Repeating myself, but very good storage in this unit. Heading toward the bath. Attractive finishes in tile. And a rain shower head in the tub. Nice sized one bedroom unit. Great light from two exposures. Plank flooring in the living areas, carpeted bedroom. Great location in Presidential Towers. Lots of amenities, lots of activity. Close to the best of everything in the West Loop. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.